Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the NestJS. Today we are going to learn about how to add the validation with joy in NestJS. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In the NestJS, you can use the joy, a powerful schema, description language and validator for the JavaScript to perform object validation. Joy provides an expressive API to define the schemas for validating the objects and their properties. Steps to use the object validation in the NestJS. First of all, you have to install the Joy. Then you have to create the validation schema, that is DTO. So you have to create a DTO for that one. Okay, so we have created the data object. Okay, so here we have to create that one. So first of all, import star as joy from the joy. Okay, and here we can say we have to create cat schema where we have to mention the properties. You can say name, age or breed, whatever. Okay, the first one, that string, and it should be required. Age should be a number, minimum 1 to 30, and breed should be string, and that should be optional. So this is the schema that we are validating for creating a cat object. Okay, so let's go and check this one. Okay, so this is the first, we have to create the validation schema. Okay, in the DTO. After that, wherever we want to use, we can use, whether it's to be go in services, controller and the interceptor to validate the incoming data. Okay, so I have already made this. Let's have a look on that one. Okay, so this is cat DTO. In the DTO there is a DTO. Okay, so here we have a schema validation, name, age and the breed, and where we have call it in the cat controller. Okay, so here we go with this one. So you can see that we have a controller, post and the body, NestJS common, cat schema from the DTO, and what how I'm going to use this one. So create cat at the body cat data any. Okay, so first we validate cat schema dot validate cat data. So whatever data we are receiving from the body as a JSON, first we have to validate abort early to be false. Okay, validation result, if going to be an error, then it will return the validation failed with the error messages. Okay, else it will show that the message that cat created successfully. Okay, let's have a look on that via the postman, and let's start the server. Here we go with this one. Okay, start the server. Okay, let's go to the postman. So first we are adding the name object. If we're going to send, it says that the name and the age is required, because here in the DTO what we have mentioned that the name and the age should be required. Okay, you can see that it should be required and this is optional, right? And first one should be string. Okay, if I put the string over here like this. Okay, so name is added, so one is removed, only age now is coming up, that age is also required. If I put the age over here, okay, the age, and mentioning like 2, you can see, or if I put something like above 30, you can see that what will happen, age must be less than or equal to 20. So let's make it 20, and let's try to send cat created successfully. Okay, so this is how the joy works, the validation schema. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.